Aloha and mabuhay! My name is Ning and I'm gonna be making a very simple bibingka for you today. Okay, here's our ingredients. 1 glutinous flour rice, 1 jar of halo-halo mix, 1 can of coconut milk, and 1 teaspoon of dark brown sugar. And of course, our PAM spray. I put everything here together on my clear bowl and mix it well so that it's ready to put here on top of the stove, of course, with my 10-inch gourmet skillet. So I preheated this for 3 minutes and I'll be putting this PAM spray. I'll be using half portion of this only so that later on when it's cooked or baked, I can do another portion. This is very easy and you don't need an oven to enjoy a very simple bibingka. And in 12 minutes, we will be flipping this and we will be showing you the finished product when I come back. I'll see you later! Okay, I'm back. So our bibingka is done in total of 24 minutes. Because the first part, 12 minutes, I flipped it. And then the other half is 12 minutes again. So 24 minutes. And here is our very simple, delicious bibingka. And let me taste it now. Okay. Wow! Imagine you don't need to use your oven to make a very simple bibingka. It's delicioso! And you can complement it with your hot tea or coffee. So again, if you want this, get in touch with the person who sent you this video and she'll give you a very simple bibingka free of charge. Aloha!